What's up, guys? Okay, so today we're going to do something completely different. I'm going to be making a boxing stand for my punching bags so that I can move out the garage and get the punching bags up and outside and off of the roof to take pressure off the roof. So we're going to build that today, weld it up, and I will take you through and show you how it goes. There we have it, fully built boxing stand. Got my uppercut bag, got my heavy bag. Now we can freely move around. I've got both bags hanging at the same time, so I don't have to swap them. I've got more space to move around, so I think the last thing that we can do is hit it a little bit.